Magandang pagbabalik mga ka-Big Boss ngayong araw na ito, at nandito na naman lang kayo sa aking channel mga ka-Big Boss, pwede bang paki-like and subscribe at pahit ng notification bell. Rain or shine contra San Miguel. Full highlights. Sa inyong opinion mga ka-Big Boss, sino kaya sa dalawang kupunan na ito ang mananalo ngayon, bakbakan ng mga ka-Big Boss? Paki-comment na lang sa baba mga ka-Big Boss kung saan ka sa dalawang kupunan na ito.
Ng batang bagong paso, walang problema.
The head of San Miguel player.
3-point attempt.
They stepped 61 out of 62 in the fourth quarter.
Get into their set down by 11. Marshall to Aska. Reverse na naman. Aska with a looper. From top of the key, no kumane. Jericho going to the spin. Nakasap. Sabi mo, 10 puntos ka agad. Ito si Nokong.
Nice pass.
Ng Rainer Shanklin in the first quarter. Stingray! Slipper mas nagapang sila magdating ng dulo. Mamuya!
Delikado yun.
Nabiro lang ni Gojek. Hindi na natin alam kung count talaga.
Ayun. Very easy.
CJ kicks. Ross launches. Cruz from deep. Punches it. The second quarter to be specific. As Aska will extend. Aska to the other side. Marshall. Nokong to ng bata.
Yes.
Pwede mo na uwi, ano? Lassiter high off. Para kay KDJ.
Sabi sa'yo, yan, okay.
Miguel off a timeout. Goes to Marshall again. Lassiter!
Suspected left hand fracture, but they really can't be sure yet. So they're just putting ice.
Nagbani. Nokong fearless.
Yes!
Marito.
Shoot!
In this third frame, CJ going to work. Karakot over to Mabu. Marshall pulls the trigger. Was lost it. CJ. Sa ating PBA Wednesday.
Libre.
Lassiter. Diaz bobbles, recovers, gets it over. Aska with a big. Marshall again.
Tinamaan sa kamay. Tinamaan sa